Hello everyone. In this video we are talking about a very interesting topic, which are water repellents. In this video I'm going to tell you all the basics and which are the best water repellents available in the market. So let's jump right in. Water repellents are beneficial for cars because they enhance safety, improve maintenance, and protect the vehicle from environmental damage. Rain-X and water repellent products are essential for enhancing visibility and protecting your car from environmental factors. Here's an even more detailed guide to these products, their benefits, and their broader applications. What is Rain-X? Rain-X is a brand offering a range of water repellent and cleaning products designed primarily for vehicles. Its core technology lies in creating hydrophobic surfaces that repel water, dirt, and grime, ensuring clearer visibility and reducing maintenance efforts. While it is best known for its glass water repellents, the brand also offers other automotive care solutions. Types of Rain-X products: glass treatments, Rain-X Original Glass Water Repellent, the most popular product for windshields and glass surfaces. Rain-X 2-in-1 Glass Cleaner plus Water Repellent cleans and applies a water repellent layer simultaneously. Rain-X Interior Glass Anti-Fog prevents condensation build-up inside the car, especially in humid or cold conditions. Wiper blades. Rain-X offers wiper blades treated with water repellent coatings for streak-free performance. Windshield washer fluids. Pre-mixed fluids containing Rain-X technology to continuously apply water repellent properties during use. Surface protection products. Products for headlights, paint and wheels to protect against water, oxidation and UV damage. Water repellent products including Rain-X use advanced chemical formulations to create a barrier that reduces surface tension. This barrier causes water to bead up and slide off instead of spreading out and adhering to the surface. Key ingredients. Silicone polymers provide hydrophobic properties by forming a thin protective film. Fluoropolymers in premium products offer more durable water and dirt repellency. Alcohol-based solvents ensure quick drying and a streak-free finish. Advantages of using Rain-X and other water repellents: enhanced visibility, improves safety during heavy rain by reducing water adherence to windshields, reduces glare from headlights and streetlights, easier maintenance, prevents dirt, bugs and bird droppings from sticking firmly to surfaces, simplifies cleaning and reduces windshield wiper wear, ice and snow removal. Treated surfaces make it easier to remove frost, snow and ice during winter. UV protection. Many water repellent coatings also offer protection against UV damage, preventing discoloration and fading on plastic and glass components. How to apply Rain-X or similar products. Prepare the surface. Wash the glass thoroughly with soap and water to remove dirt and grime. Use a dedicated glass cleaner for optimal results. Application. Shake the bottle well. Apply the product using a clean microfiber cloth in circular motions. Dry and cure. Allow the product to haze over, which takes 5 to 10 minutes. Buff the surface with a dry lint-free cloth to ensure clarity. Reapply as needed. Depending on the product, reapply every 1 to 3 months for consistent performance. Other popular water repellent brands: Aquapel glass treatment, long-lasting up to 6 months. Chemically bonds to glass for superior durability. Griot's garage glass sealant, easy to use and provides effective water repelling capabilities. Invisible glass with rain repellent, combines cleaning and water repellent properties in one application. Ceramic coatings, high-end options like CarPro, Flyby Forte offer semi-permanent water repellent properties. Applications beyond glass water repellent technology can also be used on other parts of your car and home. Car paint and body panels, products like Turtle Wax, hybrid solutions. Ceramic spray add hydrophobic protection to painted surfaces. Wheels, water repellent coatings prevent brake dust and grime from sticking. Plastic and chrome surfaces, restores shine and protects against water spots and corrosion. Home use. Water repellent products can be used on shower doors, windows and mirrors to prevent water stains and soap scum buildup. Limitations and tips. Durability. Products like Rain-X may need reapplication after a few weeks, especially in extreme weather. Application conditions. Apply in dry, well-ventilated areas. Avoid applying on hot surfaces or in direct sunlight. Compatibility. Check if the product is safe for tinted windows or certain coatings. Storage. Store products in cool, dry places to maintain effectiveness. Comparing Rain-X to ceramic coatings. Rain-X is an affordable, short-term solution, while ceramic coatings provide more durable protection, up to a year or more. If you frequently drive in heavy rain, combining both, for example, ceramic coating for the body and Rain-X for the windshield, can offer the best results. FAQs. Can Rain-X damage my windshield? No, it's safe for all types of automotive glass. However, improper application may leave streaks. How often should I reapply Rain-X? Typically every 1 to 2 months, depending on weather conditions and usage. Is Rain-X suitable for plastic surfaces? Rain-X has specific products for plastics, such as Rain-X Plastic Water Repellent for surfaces like headlights. By understanding these products, you can choose the best water repellent solution for your vehicle and enjoy improved safety, convenience, and aesthetics. While water repellents are excellent, they are not permanent solutions. Regular reapplication is needed to maintain their effectiveness, typically every 1 to 3 months, depending on the product and weather conditions. By using water repellents, you can ensure a safer, cleaner, and better maintained vehicle, making them an essential part of car care.